Ready to say teeny tiny cute little things in Azerbaijani? Let's get started. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have balaca. Ba, la, ja. Balaca is small, little, young in terms of child. Let's see some sentences and phrases, but first phrases. A small room. My little cat. A young child. Let's see. Balaca otak. Otak is room. But when you pronounce, you say otaq. Balaca otaq. Mənim BALACA pişiyim. Pişik is a cat. Pişiyim, my cat. Balaca, little. Balaca uşaq. Uşaq, you write it. Uşaq, you say it. Same as otak. Otaq, otaq, uşaq, uşaq. Pişik, pişik, pişiyim. Did you notice? Let's discover those in some sentences more. Mənim balaca pişiyim çok sevimlidir. My little cat is very cute. Mənim, my. Mən is I, mənim is my. Pişik is cat, pişiyim, my cat. See what you can do here? Balaca pişiyim çok sevimlidir. It will still show whose cat we're talking about. Çok, we know this. Very, sevimli, cute. Sevimlidir is cute. Let's see another sentence. Balaca uşaq qapıda Novruz hədiyyəsini gözləyir. A young child at the door is waiting for his or her Novruz gift. Novruz, the best, biggest, my favorite holiday. I explore it more in my masterazerbaijani.com. That's back to our sentence, okay? A young child, balaca uşaq, at the door, qapıda. Qapı is a door, at the door, qapıda. Novruz hədiyyəsini, see, Novruz hədiyyəsi, Novruz gift. Novruz hədiyyəsini, his or her Novruz gift. Gözləyir, waiting. That was my way of using word balaca in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. Here's another one. Even though his wallet is balaca, he keeps his plans huge. That was my way of using Azerbaijani word balaca. I have a new word coming tomorrow. Until then, like I said, check masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, much more fun and efficient way, and of course, learning about Novruz and Novruz traditions. I'll see you tomorrow.